Hey there, how you doing today? This is Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. So today we're going to spend a little time looking inside of Funnelytics. So anyone can get a free Funnelytics account. Just go ahead and register and log in. Of course, there'll be a link here to actually get that free account here below in the description in the video. So let me just go ahead and log into my account. So what I want to show you inside today is I want to show you inside of Funnelytics. But I want to show you inside of Funnelytics Pro. And as you can see right here when I log in, it's Funnelytics Pro is currently in beta. So that's one of the main issues, one of the main points that I want to make sure that you understand is this is currently still in beta, but that's the same reason they're offering a one-time fee for a lifetime of Funnelytics Pro. So again, go ahead and in the description below you can log in and you can get your free account. And in your free account, what you can do is you can build out these funnels. So that'll give you the ability to create a project. So we'll just say we'll create a test project. And once you create that test project, then you can go in and you can start creating your funnels. So we'll go ahead and create a test funnel. And then once you create your test funnel, you have the ability to have a blank canvas and you can start the drag and drop. So for example, you're going to want an opt-in page, okay? And then say you have an opt-in page, and then once you have an opt-in page, that'll lead to a sales page, and then say that sales page would lead to a thank you page. That's going to be, you know, a pretty basic funnel. And then of course you're going to want some traffic, so then you have different sources here. So let's just say we're going to send, say, email, okay? Obviously you don't want that connected there. You want your email to link over to your opt-in page. So this is the basic concept, and of course you can get way more detail, but the basic concept is you have your email. So then you have your email label, and then your UTM source, your medium, your campaign, your content, your term, and then that's going to drive your URL. So then you're going to have a URL that you're going to share out with your email to drive into your opt-in page, head over to your sales page and your thank you page. And in the free version, you'll be able to opt that out and you'll get a visual representation of your funnel and you'll be able to see it. But when you go pro, you get the ability to analyze that. So then of course when you click on the analyze button, you'll be able to see statistics. Of course there's no statistics going to this because I just created it, didn't save it, and there are no URLs. I just wanted to show you real quick so you could see what Funnelytics Pro actually gives you from the free version to the pro version. So the free version is the generic map, and then the pro version gives you the ability to analyze. So let's take a step back now and walk through the entire Funnelytics Pro back end here. So we went through the projects and the funnels. So as you can see, you can create different projects and group those funnels together, or as you can see here, I have one called unorganized funnels, which are funnels that don't actually fall into a project. And you have your templates, which are basically just funnels that you've created and you've saved as a template. Of course, you can export that as a PNG and share it as well. Then you have icons, where you can upload custom icons. I don't have any currently have any icons, but if you go to the help desk, you can open this up in a new tab and pop over here, and you can see here they have a complete help desk here with help pages where you can walk through, look at this one specifically is for custom icons. So this article is going to show you how to upload custom icons into Funnelytics. So they walk you through that, and as you can see, you can create your own custom icon for traffic sources, pages, whatever. Choose one of these icon types: pages, traffic source, or offline. So you can do that as well. Of course, I showed you the help desk already, which leads you over to the help desk for all the knowledge base that they have. Then here's one of the big keys that I haven't seen a lot of people covering inside of Funnelytics Pro, that I want to make sure that you actually get a chance to look inside the vault. Because once you get inside Funnelytics Pro, they have these vaults here for you. So inside of your free version, you're actually going to have these vaults here, which are generic generic funnels: the lead magnet, the survey funnel, webinar funnel, application funnel, mini class funnel, and product sales funnel. Which these, so for example, the lead magnet funnel, you go ahead and you click on that, and it's going to take you through basically and show you, okay, this is the basic idea of what a lead magnet funnel is, how it works, the reason why you would use it, and then they have a Funnelytics template built here for you, so you can click on that and it's going to load up that generic lead magnet funnel for you to use. So yes, so go ahead and share that, add it to my dashboard. As you can see, that'll be added to my dashboard, and then now I have a lead magnet funnel which is fully editable. So I can go ahead in here and then I can build off this. So it gives me a starting point. So you don't have to look at a blank canvas and be like, well, where do I start? So if you don't have any idea where to start with a lead magnet funnel, you just simply go to those, go to the vault, click on that Funnelytics template, share it to yourself, and there you go. You're in business. All right. So we'll go ahead and head back to the dashboard. Go ahead and leave that unchanged. Go back into the vault. So those are great to get you started, right, in the free version. But if you click over here and go premium, you'll see they actually have broken out into premium. What they've done is they've actually quote unquote funnel hacked these for you, right? So .com secrets funnel. If you've read the book and you want to know it, they have a little video here. It's almost 20 minutes long where they walk you through the funnel from Russell Brunson. Then they have the Funnelytics template, also have a ClickFunnels template for you here, as well as a downloadable swipe file for you. So this is all inside the Pro version vaults. These are all ready for you. So again, if we click on Funnelytics template, go ahead and click on that. I'm going to go ahead and share that out to my dashboard. And then there you go. You're going to have a fully editable .com secrets funnel that you can go in, you can understand, you can see, you can learn from, right? So this is the value and this is the power inside once you get inside the Pro version. So then of course if I click on this and that's fully editable, click on the little pencil, right? You can go ahead and build all that out. You can see it's drag and drop. So there you go. That was inside of the vaults. So what we covered here inside of Funnelytics is inside the free version is the ability to drag and drop and store all your funnels in one location, so you have all your funnels in one place. Because if you're like me, you have a whiteboard where you write everything down on your whiteboard, and then hopefully you take a snapshot or you take a picture of it with your phone. If not, it's lost forever when you erase it when you have another idea. So for example, this is a funnel that I just created, and you can see this is rather in depth. So you would hate to lose this on your whiteboard, or say you open up a PowerPoint or some other type of drawing tool, maybe even MindMap, like to hack up a mind map real quick. But anyway, the concept here is in the free version you get the ability to draw out your funnels. In the Pro version, you get the ability to go from mapping to analyzing just with the click of a button. So once you get everything in place and you create all your URLs and put all your code and everything on your websites, you'll be able to see all the different places in here. As you can see, this will calculate each step along the way. You'll be able to see your bottlenecks. You'll be able to see where your traffic is converting, where it's not converting. One thing real quick that I didn't show you that I want to show you before we end this, because this is starting to run kind of long. So for example, when you go in and you create your funnel, so you create your project, you create your funnel, you have reports here coming soon, clients, you have the ability to actually share out this project, so you can share it to a client via his email address so he can read, so he can view it, or he has read or write access, so you can share that with your clients. As well as here is the settings. So when you go into settings, this is the code here that you're actually going to paste. This is your analytics script that you're going to paste on your website, your web pages, all your funnel pages. So that's how that works. Just a little insider look inside of Funnelytics Pro. Hope it's helped out a lot. There'll be a link to the free version and the Pro version as well in the description down below. So if you like this, look inside Funnelytics Pro just real quick. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave a comment. If there's something you want to know more about, you want to see something else inside of Funnelytics Pro that I'm able to show you, go ahead, leave a comment, and I'll get right back to you. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.